Ah, hail. Yeah, this is what spring looks like in the Pacific Northwest. A random hailstorm. Yesterday was just slightly sunny, and today we're gonna pay for that sunshine with ice.
What are you doing out there, Purdy?
Well, I'm getting the ice.
I can't really tell.
See, I know, but you will be able to.
Go out more. I'm just kidding. I can see him hitting you. There you go. Oh, that's cute.
What's cute?